graduates, and of course to our dear graduates, good afternoon. Deeply honored to speak in front of you. Your future begins today. I want to congratulate you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Judy Ann, for that meaningful and insightful 2023. Given this 11th day of July 2023 at ANH's main campus, Barangay Alawihaw, Daet, Camarines Norte, signed by our secondary school principal 3, Sir Arnilo C. Ibas. And to Ma'am Alicia I. Quinito.
Once again, thank you so much, Miss Judy Ann Agripa Samonte.